How to fix Tesla app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how we can fix if the Tesla app is not working. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now, scroll down and tap on the apps option. Then from this list of your applications, you want to scroll down and find the Tesla app. Tap on that and now you want to tap on the storage option. Here, tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. Once that is done, you want to open the application and check if your problem has been fixed. Next thing you can do is check if your app is fully updated. For that, you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to search for Tesla. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that. Once it has been updated, any glitches or bugs will be fixed. You can open the application and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you simply want to uninstall the application. After it has been uninstalled, open Play Store or App Store and then reinstall this application. After you have reinstalled it, you want to open and check if your problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.